Are you ready to elevate your computing experience? Introducing the Acer Aspire 3-Spin 14 Convertible Laptop. The ultimate blend of style and performance. Stay tuned as we uncover every aspect of this remarkable device. The Acer Aspire 3-Spin 14 is not just a laptop. It's a convertible laptop, meaning it's incredibly versatile. It effortlessly transforms from a traditional laptop to a convenient tent or tablet mode, adapting to your needs. The 14-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS touch display provides stunning visuals and a responsive touch experience. Powering this beauty is the Intel Core i3-N305 processor, ensuring smooth and efficient multitasking. For your graphical needs, the Intel UHD graphics delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. With 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, your applications and software will run like a breeze. With a 128 GB SSD, your data loads in a flash, and you get ample storage for your files. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6, providing lightning-fast internet speeds. And it comes with Windows 11 Home in S mode, offering enhanced security and performance. The model we have here is the A3SP14-31PT37NV, setting new standards for convertible laptops. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire 3-Spin 14 Convertible. A laptop is a true gem in the world of computing. Its flexibility, performance, and stunning visuals make it a perfect choice for both work and play. Whether you're a professional on the go or someone who loves to unwind with a movie or a game, this laptop has you covered. If you're ready to take your tech game to the next level, the Acer Aspire 3-Spin 14 is waiting for you. Click the link in the description to learn more and make it yours. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.